Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use your mobile or computer device to link your Oromia Bank account with your national ID or FIDA online without physically visiting the bank. This process is very important because many banking services in Ethiopia now require FIDA verification. Let us get started. Why linking FIDA or national ID with bank account is important. Linking your bank account with national ID or FIDA helps you to access fully banking services, avoid account restrictions, comply with government and banking regulations, make future transactions smoother and faster. So, if you haven't linked your account yet, this video is for you. Before you begin, make sure you have Oromia Bank account number, FIDA or national ID number or FIDA Alliance number, registered mobile number. These are the requirements to complete the process online. Let us start. Open the Google Chrome browser on your phone or your computer. Go to search address and write this URL: ob.fida.oromiabank.com. Then search. It redirects you customer verification portal. Here is individual account, joint account, corporate account. Click on individual account. Then enter your FIDA Alliance number here. After entering your FIDA Alliance number or your phone number, click the Send Code button to receive an OTP. Once the OTP has been verified, enter your bank account number to finish the process. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again soon. If this video is helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for the most recent updates.